Hello everyone. In this class we are going to learn how to rotate a shape using a tracing paper when an angle of rotation and the center of rotation are given. So here there's a triangle labeled as triangle 1, and the question is rotate triangle 1 through 90-degree clockwise about the origin. 90-degree clockwise is the angle with the direction, and the center of rotation is the origin. Keep the tracing paper so that we can see the object on the tracing paper. We can trace this triangle, or else it's enough to mark the three vertices of the triangle like this. We must mark the center of rotation. Here origin is the center. Instead of marking the center with a point, I'm going to mark a plus sign here with an arrowhead. When this arrow, now it's vertically up, when it turns clockwise 90 degree, it will be landing on the x-axis like this. So I know that it's being rotated 90 degree clockwise. Now that it's rotated 90 degree clockwise. And those 3 points now fit the grid. We lift the tracing paper and mark the 3 points. Here 2, -2, that's 1 point. And this is 2, -5. And the third point is here. So we can complete the triangle by joining these 3 points. So using a tracing paper makes the rotation so simple. You are allowed to use the tracing paper for the exam, even for IGCSE O-level mathematics. It's an optional material. Now the second question is, through 90 degree anti-clockwise about the point 0, -1. This time the center is changed to 0, -1. The object is the same triangle 1, and the angle is 90 degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise or counterclockwise means the opposite of clockwise. So I'm going to erase the first center. So the object, 3 points as I have marked earlier, it's there. I'm going to mark the new center, 0, -1. 0, -1 is here. Instead of marking a point like before, I'm going to mark a plus sign with an arrowhead. This time I have to rotate 90 degree anti-clockwise. So you can observe that the arrow also turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now it has turned 90 degree anti-clockwise, and the 3 points will fit the grid exactly. So the 3 points fit the grid. We lift the tracing paper and mark the 3 points. Here you have -3, 1. That's -3, 1. -3, 4. And the third point is here. Join them to form the image. So that's rotation 90 degree anti-clockwise. Now the third question is, through 180 degree about the point -1, -1. Again the center is changed. The object is the same. So I'm keeping the 3 points on the object like this. The new center is -1, -1. So I'm going to mark the center as earlier, a plus sign with an arrowhead. This time I have to rotate 180 degree. When the angle is 180 degree, whether you rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, it's going to be the same. So that's why the direction of rotation is not mentioned in the question. So I'm going to rotate this 180 degree. When it's rotated 180 degree, you must know that the arrowhead turns 90 plus 90. It should be vertically down, upside down. So it's rotated. Don't change the position of the center. It's -1, -1. So now it has rotated almost 180 degrees. 3 points should fit the grid. So I have rotated this 180 degrees. 3 points fit the grid. I can lift the tracing paper. Now I lift the tracing paper and mark the 3 points. The first point is -4, -4, it's here. And -7, -4. And the third point is down here. Once again, I check those 3 points, whether it's aligned in the tracing paper. Joining these 3 points, I get the image triangle. So the object is now rotated 180 degree about the center -1, -1. That's all for today. Thank you.